What's going on, guys? Joe Barvecchio here, back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to be starting a little bit of a series for the channel. So this is going to be part one of the transition from Amazon dropshipping into Amazon FBA. As a lot of you guys know, I've been dropshipping on Amazon since October of 2018, so almost 2 years now. And I finally have made the decision to start to transfer my business from Amazon dropshipping to Amazon FBA with wholesale and a little bit of online/retail arbitrage. So I'm sure some of you are wondering, why would you do this? If Amazon dropshipping is working, why would you make a change? And there's a couple reasons for this, but basically I've seen over the years that Amazon dropshipping has become more risky due to Amazon kind of tightening their restrictions, as well as a lot more saturated. I hate the word saturated because I think it's like something that's used in the business and especially the e-com world as like an excuse for people that just don't want to put in the work, which I think is kind of BS, because if something's saturated, that means it's working if a lot of people are doing it. However, with the increase in also Amazon automation companies, like more and more people just onboarding hundreds and hundreds of dropshipping accounts onto Amazon, I feel that it's probably better for me to start to transfer and transform my business over to FBA and be ahead of the curve and do this sooner rather than later before it's too late. Even though it is still working, and no, I'm not stopping Amazon dropshipping, I'm just kind of making the transition now. It's still, I think this is really important for both the longevity and as well as just the value of my business as a whole. So where have I started? I started out with the wholesale by contacting over 25 different wholesalers and distributors, asking to start a business relationship with them, open up wholesale accounts, etc. I had this intent to basically find businesses where I can buy products continuously, and I'm at this point now where I have a couple wholesale accounts opened up, and I'm going to be moving through price lists and trying to find products. The way I want to take this business is to find products that I can continuously order and reorder again, and have like a couple of products like that, maybe 5 or 10 of those that consistently move every time they sell out or going to sell out. I buy more, have them shipped, and basically can have those products always selling. And then I'll also do different flips on the side as well. But I definitely want, for the longevity of the business, to have products that just continuously move, that I can continuously reorder and stuff like that. I think that's a great route for me, and I think that is, if you guys are looking for some advice to get into FBA more, I think that's definitely the way to go. No, I can't say I've done it. This is, like I said, this is part one of this series. I'm going to be updating you guys pretty much every week about it, but this is definitely at least the start and the route I intend to go at this point. So like I said, right now I've been scanning price lists. I have a couple products that I have my eye on, nothing purchased yet, still doing my research and due diligence and stuff like that, but that's where I'm at with the wholesale aspect of the business. Additionally, I've made some moves with retail and online arbitrage. The products that I bought online, they haven't gotten to my house yet, so I can't give you any update on those and show you. However, I do have about 10 different products from retail arbitrage that I've gotten. If you guys have seen the post over at Nonstop Ecom, my other page where I post a lot more business, like really hands-on business stuff, I show the products, I show like the spread and stuff like that. You can check those out there. The ad will be right here in the video. But I'm going to show you guys one product on here and give you a little bit of insight about it. So this is the product, the first one that I'm going to be showing. It's this I don't know if I can get this to focus, this Duke Cannon soap. I don't know, doesn't really matter what it is, all that matters is the numbers that it sells for. So I bought it for $4.50. There's some tax in there as well. It's not expensive, so it's not a lot. It's selling for $18.99 on the buy box price on Amazon. It's pretty good, under 100,000 ranking, so it's listed. I'm just going to be doing this FBM just because I've seen the warehouse near me. I'm in New Jersey, so where I would be shipping the item probably to Pennsylvania, if I create an FBA shipment, has like a 3-week hold, and I'm trying to flip from 500 to 2,500 with retail arbitrage like this. So it makes absolutely no sense for me to send it, like I don't have a lot of them. I have a couple more, and a couple of these and a couple of the other products that I bought that I'm not going to be showing. Those again are on Nonstop Ecom. I'm going to continuously flip, like I said, from 500 to 2,500, so it makes no sense to wait a month basically and have it shipped to the warehouse and have it wait to get checked in. I'm just going to fulfill it myself. There's only 10-15 units that I have on hand right now, so it's no big deal, and that is just the plan. So I'll probably drop my price a little bit in a couple days if it doesn't sell. It's at $18.99-ish right now, so I'll keep you guys posted on that one. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment what you want to see next. Comment any ideas that you guys do have for retail arbitrage and online arbitrage, as well as wholesale, if you have any experiences or anything like that. Any questions, let me know. You can DM me on either of my Instagrams. They'll both be right here. I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, so keep an eye out for those. And I will be continuing this series about the transition into FBA. This is part 1. I'll keep you guys updated probably around once a week unless there's no changes, but it'll definitely be one of the videos for the week that it'll be this series, just kind of showing exactly how I'm making this move from dropshipping into FBA. I'm still running my dropshipping stores. I have 2 up right now. The third one is shut off for credit. So please let me know if you have any more questions. Let me know if you want what you want to see next, and I hope you guys have a nice day.